So, hey, ladies and gentlemen, check this out. So, recently in my workshop, I was challenged by one of my students to pass this trading combine. I don't know if you ever heard of a TopStep trader, but you can become a funded trader. They give you accounts like 30,000, 50,000, or 100 some thousand, I think, accounts. I went for the $50,000 account challenge. And you pass this combine, they give you a funded account. So I passed it through my workshop. People in my workshop know about it, they've seen it. And I want to share you my pathway, how I got there. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and you'll get all that content. I'm going to be releasing those full videos here real soon. All right, guys, talk to you later. See you at the base. Bye-bye.